Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing the Windows Media Player application on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Turn Windows. Best result should come back with Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and expand media features here and check mark Windows Media Player and select OK. Give that a moment. And that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.